So before we start this lead generation course, a quick story about a company that was profitable. It had a lead generation engine working, it had a sales conversion engine that was working, and it pretty much had a solid pipeline. But that company scaled down rather than up. Any guesses why? And the answer to that is bottlenecks, aka constraints. Or you can say the cost of lifting the constraint so the company can scale up. And in this case, the company was mine, that was 𝐵𝐴𝐴𝐻, the B2B marketing agency. And the bottleneck was a strategist. And to some point, it still is. And as you will see, even in your journey, in your marketing campaigns, and in a lot of your ventures, in the sub parts of your departments and your companies, you will have a problem of a strategist. But this 110% happens in lead generation and marketing. So now let's get into the tactics of generating your leads, and then after we'll discuss how we can unbottleneck a lot of stuff in the organization.